Hi everyone. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use a multi-browser app to boost your YouTube views and increase watch hours by playing multiple videos at once. Open your Play Store and search for Multi-View Browser app. It's downloading. Wait a moment please. Once download completed, just open it. Here is the multi-viewer app interface. And select how much views you want. I will select 10. After, go to your menu options and open YouTube app. Then select your video, which one you want get more views. And I am going to select my YouTube channel video link and I will show you how to run it. Open your video and tap on share options and copy the link. And come to multi-view browser app and open it. Here, it asks you to enter the URL and paste the video link that you have already copied. And click open options. Your video is running automatically. By playing videos across multiple browsers or tabs, you simulate the effect of multiple users watching your videos. This helps increase views and watch hours quickly without doing everything manually. But remember, while this can be a great tool to help increase your stats, always follow YouTube's guidelines. Never overdo it and make sure the content is being viewed naturally to avoid penalties on your channel. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more tutorials. Stay tuned and good luck growing your YouTube channel.